When you look at planet Earth as a whole, our weather generally in the northern hemisphere moves from west to east. That's not true everywhere, though, in the northern hemisphere. When you look towards the eastern side of the Atlantic, due to the extreme temperature difference between the chilly waters of the Gulf of Guinea and the extremely hot weather in the Saharan desert, weather here moves from east to west in what is called the African easterly jet. This is common this time of year, brings a couple of impacts to the United States, one more common than others. First impact is that we look for this easterly jet to spin off disturbances that come off the coast and eventually into the warm waters of the Atlantic that become down the road hurricanes or tropical storms that can threaten the U.S. The second, less common impact is what we call the Saharan air layer. This is millions of tons of dust getting lofted from the Saharan desert thousands of feet above the surface that then is transported all the way across the Atlantic, sometimes able to complete the incredible 5,000-mile journey all the way from the coast of Africa to the southern United States. The first of these plumes slated to arrive by the end of this weekend into early next week. The impacts from this are good and bad. On the negative side of the equation, this is going to reduce air quality, sometimes significantly so, can invigorate allergies, scratchy throat, and a stuffy nose. Plus, with this dust in the air, everything's a little bit drier, so it's harder to get meaningful rainfall, especially for areas that are currently under really bad drought conditions in Texas and through the southwestern United States. On the plus side, you can, with this dust overhead, suppress tropical storm activity. Again, it dries out the atmosphere, so hopefully a quiet start to an otherwise busy hurricane season. Plus, with this dust in the air, you may notice some more colorful sunsets when the sun starts to go down on the horizon. I'm meteorologist Avery Tomasco with a look at our first plume of dust in this busy hurricane season to come.